How to cancel Suno AI subscription. If you want to cancel your subscription on Suno AI, just open your browser and go to suno.com. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box and log into the account where you have got your active subscription, and that if you'd like to cancel it. Once you're here, tap on your Suno profile from the top right hand side of the screen, and here you'll find various options, out of which you want to go to this one that says subscription. From the subscriptions tab, you'll be able to see all of your subscriptions. So if you have got a premium plan, you'll find the option to switch to the free plan. If you already have got a free plan, then you'll find the option to choose to premium. Now basically what happens is, if you were charged annually or monthly, basically whatever is convenient for you, then your subscription will remain till the end of the current billing cycle based on whether you have annual payment or monthly payment, and after that it will get successfully cancelled. But because you've already been charged for, let's say, this whole year or this whole month, then your subscription will remain till the end of that period. And this way you can cancel your Suno AI subscription. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.